Hello guys, good morning. This is going to be another fast and quick short video. We're going to talk about how to organize, how to set up a new contest in ConcursosDigitales. We'll try to be very fast, very straightforward, so that you don't miss your time with other things. Right, so let's go to it. First, go to ConcursosDigitales.com, then click in Access to Organizers. The organizers are the one who set up the contest, right? Here you can create your entity account as described in the previous video, or you can directly log in, right? In my case, I will directly log in with this test account, right? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill all the information in the user profile, right? If we don't set the information about the organization, the banner will not appear in the web page. So here for demonstration purpose, I've set some fake information, right? Just fill the fields and click save, right? Then you go to the general aesthetics. In the general aesthetics, I will upload the logo that I want to appear in the web. For example, I have created here some simple logos just for demonstration with the desired size, 1120, 500, and a small thumb. So the first thing I'm going to do is upload it, right? You only have to do these things. You only have to upload these logos the first time you create a contest. The second time, these will be the logos that will be used to represent you, right? As you see, here is just a moment. Select the file, upload the logo, select the file, and upload the logo. That is, we have the three, correct? Great, awesome. So let's go for it. Now it's the truth. This is this tab here is where competitions, where contests are going to be listed. So you want to create a new competition. We will select an open competition with a participation fee, right? Because I want the participants, the authors, to pay a fee for participating in the contest, right? So we'll select an open competition with an entry fee. Hey mouse, come here, great. And we create a competition. Perfect. So here we'll set the name. Oh, my first competition. I will say my fake contest. I prefer the word contest. Here I can write a description. If I have a website, for example, I could set it here. If I want to have a different web for integrating the contest in your website in one special page, so you can write it here. You can upload the competition terms, just to say the basis. You could decide the resolution required, the size, etc. Right? I have the mouse a bit asleep this morning. Here I will talk about the calendar. Where is it going to be open? Well, I will say that will be open from yesterday to this Friday, for example. And we will vote it next week, for example. Here we can introduce additional information about the calendar, right? Sections. We have one section by default. The name seems a bit strange. Don't worry, we can change it. We click here and say, for example, black and white open, for example. We can add here a description, and we can say how many images will each author going to deliver. For example, I will say 2 images per person. And we can say that we want to request a title or not. In this case, we will not, right? We save it, and we can add another section, right? Save it. Great. Perfect. We have 2 sections. If we want additional fields to appear, here we can set the title. We can introduce an acceptance of conditions for our contest. Here we can set all the prices we are going to use later in the voting section, right? Here we can introduce the information about the jury that is going to vote the contest, if we go by collections or by individual works, and details that belong to the voting process, right? And here's the part of payments and activations. This is not a free contest, so the authors have to pay you. Here you can write your PayPal account, right? So that when the participant pays, the money will go directly to your account, right? Here we can set the participation fee, or we can add additional product or services like books, etc., right? So the idea is that we will say that for the participation independently of the work will be, for example, $5. That is. Contact information. If we had some sponsor, we could set a banner here, and here in participants we will have a list of the authors that have already participated, right? So here it is. This is all we have to do now. We have to save, set up. Now we can go to our web page here, reload it, and we will see that our contest will appear here. It's my banner. It's not a nice one, but it will appear it will appear in the section of the contest that are online in this moment, right? So if we click here in my banner, in the contest, here we'll go to a login page so that the users can create their account or just simply send the work with an existing account. You have available many different languages, right? So that is easy for the authors to participate, right? So this is for today. Thank you very much for your time, and see you soon. Bye bye.